Today, we'll create a professional logo using AI without any professional software. Start by going to Chatgpt to generate prompts. I'll share the prompt I'm using today to design a logo. You can try it according to your niche. Once you find a prompt you like, copy it and paste it into Ideogram.ai. Then click Generate. Wait a moment for the logo to be created. Here's the final logo. Download the one you like best. Here's another one. This is a prompt I created before the tutorial, which you can also use. All the prompts will be available in the description box. If you like this video, please support my channel by subscribing. Thank you.